Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to transfer files. Transferring files method depends on where do you want to transfer them. For example, let's take a look at the transferring to SD card. You can connect SD card for this adapter and connect it to USB-C port. Also, this tab has SD card slot installed. So we can go to, for example, Photos and select photo we would like to transfer. Press and hold on the photo and select Share. Now we can select QuickShare, Google, Bluetooth drive files, Gmail or more. If you want to transfer it to our Google Drive, select Google Drive. If you want to transfer it to your SD card, select Files by Google. Share. And now in Files, find this. Again, Share. Move to SD card and select Folder. And it's done. You can do this same thing for every file in Files. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.